Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Speak Mode English podcast. My name is Maggie, and I am your teacher today.
Hi, I'm John, and I'm learning English. I'm happy to be here.
We're so happy you're with us. Today, we're going to practice simple English. We'll talk about everyday conversations, some common phrases, and some easy idioms. Are you ready, John?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's start.
Great. Let's begin with some basic greetings. How do you say hello in English, John?
I say hello.
Yes, that's right. Hello is a very common greeting, but we also say hi or hey. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Perfect. Now, what if you meet someone in the morning? What do you say?
I say good morning.
Exactly. Good morning. What about in the afternoon? Can you guess?
Maybe good afternoon?
Yes, good job. And in the evening, we say good evening. Can you repeat that? Good evening.
Good evening.
Very good. Now let's practice. I will say a greeting and you reply, okay?
Okay.
Good morning, John.
Good morning, Maggie.
Great. Good evening, John.
Good evening, Maggie.
You did well. Let's move to the next topic. What do you say when you want to say goodbye?
I say goodbye.
Yes, goodbye is a nice word, but we also say bye or see you later. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Perfect. And see you later.
See you later.
Very good. Now let's practice saying goodbye. I'll say goodbye and you reply.
Okay.
Goodbye, John.
Goodbye, Maggie.
See you later, John.
See you later, Maggie.
Okay, now let's practice some common phrases. We use these every day in English. Ready?
Yes, ready.
If you need help, you can say, "Can you help me?" Can you say that?
Can you help me?
Great. Another phrase is, "I don't understand." If you don't understand something, you say, "I don't understand." Can you repeat it?
I don't understand.
Perfect. And if you want to say thank you, we say thank you. Can you say that?
Thank you.
Wonderful. Now let's practice. I'll ask a question and you can say, "Can you help me?" if you need help. Okay?
Okay.
John, what is your favorite color?
I don't understand.
Oh, no problem. I can help you. The question was, what is your favorite color? That means, what color do you like the most? Can you try to answer now?
Ah, my favorite color is blue.
Great answer. Blue is a beautiful color. Let's practice again. If I ask a question and you don't understand, you can say, "I don't understand," or "Can you help me?" Let's try it. John, where do you live?
I don't understand.
No problem. Where do you live means where is your home? Can you answer now?
I live in New York.
Awesome! You're doing very well. Now let's learn some easy idioms. Idioms are phrases that don't mean exactly what the words say. They're special ways to speak.
Sounds fun. What idioms do we learn?
Here's the first one. It's a piece of cake.
A piece of cake?
Yes, when something is a piece of cake, it means it's very easy. For example, learning this English lesson is a piece of cake. Can you say it?
Learning this English lesson is a piece of cake.
Perfect. Now here's another idiom. Break a leg.
Break a leg? Oh no.
Don't worry, break a leg doesn't mean to hurt yourself. It means good luck. We say it to wish someone good luck. For example, if someone has a job interview, you can say, break a leg. Can you say that?
Break a leg.
Great, you're doing an amazing job. Here's one more idiom. It's raining cats and dogs.
Raining cats and dogs? That sounds strange.
Yes, it sounds funny, right? It's raining cats and dogs means it's raining a lot. So if it's raining very hard outside, you can say, it's raining cats and dogs. Can you say that?
It's raining cats and dogs.
Very good. Let's review what we learned today. We practiced greetings like good morning and hi. We also learned some phrases like can you help me and I don't understand. And we learned three fun idioms. It's a piece of cake, break a leg, and it's raining cats and dogs.
Wow, we learned a lot today.
Yes, we did. You did a great job. Keep practicing and soon you'll speak English very well.
Thank you, Maggie. This was fun.
You're welcome, John. Thank you to everyone listening. Keep practicing every day, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our podcast. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
See you later. Bye.